Regional Roads Victoria is responsible for maintaining 19,000 kilometres of roads, and there are more cars on the road than ever before. Not only do we have more vehicles, but they're also getting bigger. When our roads were first built, the largest trucks on the roads were only 20 tonnes. Today, it's common to see vehicles that are over 80 tonnes. Not to mention the massive superloads that are regularly travelling through regional Victoria.
With so many roads across regional Victoria, we need to prioritise works based on the risk associated with them. We classify the risks into 3 categories.
Critical works are needed to restore a road's safety and can include urgent repairs after severe weather events. These types of works are our highest priority in our maintenance schedule. Needed works include proactive jobs to prevent deterioration of the road in the short term, such as fixing defects before they become significant problems. Desirable works are also proactive to help limit damage and minimise the lifetime cost of the road. We constantly monitor the arterial road network for issues, but we also rely on the community to let us know about hazards and defects. If you see something on the road, you can report it through our hotline on 133 778.